Unlocking the mystery, how to isolate the variable. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and essential concept in mathematics and problem solving: isolating the variable. This idea might sound complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means to isolate a variable and how you can apply this technique in various scenarios. Let's embark on this mathematical adventure together and unlock the mystery of variables. First off, let's clarify what we mean by a variable. In mathematics, a variable is a symbol, usually a letter, that represents an unknown value. For example, in the equation x plus 5 equals 10, x is our variable. Now, isolating the variable means manipulating the equation so that the variable is by itself on one side of the equation. The goal is to find out what value the variable represents. You might be wondering, why do we need to isolate the variable? The answer is simple: solving problems. Whether in math homework, science experiments, or real-life situations, isolating the variable helps us find answers. It's a critical step in solving equations, which is a fundamental skill not only in mathematics but in logical thinking and problem solving. Let's go through the steps to isolate a variable, using the equation x plus 5 equals 10 as our example. Step 1. Identify the variable. First, identify the variable you need to isolate. In our case, it's x. Step 2. Undo addition or subtraction. Look at what's being added or subtracted from the variable. Here, 5 is added to x. To isolate x, we need to undo this addition by subtracting 5 from both sides of the equation. So, we get x plus 5 minus 5 equals 10/5. Step 3. Undo multiplication or division. If the variable is multiplied or divided by a number, do the opposite operation. For our example, this step isn't needed. But if you had 2x equals 10, you divide both sides by 2 to isolate x. Step 4. Simplify the equation. Now, simplify both sides of the equation. For our initial example, x plus 5 minus 5 equals 10/5 simplifies to x equals 5. And that's it. We've isolated the variable, and now we know that x equals 5. The best way to master isolating the variable is through practice. Start with simple equations and gradually move to more complex ones. Remember, the key steps are identifying the variable, undoing any addition or subtraction, undoing any multiplication or division, and simplifying the equation. Congratulations! You've now learned what it means to isolate a variable and how to do it step by step. With this technique in your problem-solving toolkit, you're well on your way to tackling mathematical equations with confidence. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!